Hello everyone and welcome to our Tech Tuesday tutorial number 104. Today we introduce a website that makes any video into a lesson, Edpuzzle. So today's Tech Tuesday is actually a guest presentation by none other than Malorie Rivera, my wife. This is the first in hopefully more guest speakers, and I hope you enjoy it.
Hey everyone, my name's Malorie Rivera. And today I'm just going to do a quick overview on Edpuzzle. Edpuzzle is a program that I use religiously in my classroom, both when we're doing traditional schooling and when we're doing distance schooling like right now. If I had to give a 15-second summary of what Edpuzzle is and what it does, well, we can just look at their home screen right here, right? Make any video your lesson. Basically, it allows you to take any video on the internet, drop in unskippable quiz or comprehension questions for your students, and track their progress to make sure that they are understanding what you're trying to teach them. I do want to quickly mention that I am a certified Edpuzzle coach. There's a way to do some training in the background so that you really learn what Edpuzzle is all about. You get this nice little badge here just saying that you're certified to kind of teach others about Edpuzzle. And so I'm using my certification now to help you guys out some. So let's go ahead and log in to my account and let's see what Edpuzzle has to offer. So once you log into Edpuzzle, it's going to bring you to their content tab. Here's the great thing about Edpuzzle. If you don't have time to create your own videos for your students, they have a massive library of stuff already created that you can use immediately. If you look over here on the left-hand side, you can see what their popular channels are. Edpuzzle does their own stuff. They have collaborations with YouTube, Khan Academy, Nat Geo, TED Talks, all kinds of really good high quality videos that you can push out to your students to help them learn certain skills. If you have other teachers in your school that also use Edpuzzle, you can click on the name of your school. If I come in here and I see Miss Mobley, I can actually beg, borrow, and steal Miss Mobley's lessons and not have to worry about trying to find a lesson within Edpuzzle or create my own. So you guys can work collaboratively within your school to make awesome stuff. You can also go to their curriculum tab and you can browse their items based on grade level and then based on subject area. So if I want to just come in here to science, I can come into biology and I can go into specific areas within biology, ecology, and find advanced levels of videos that help teach certain subjects. I also have the ability to go into the My Content tab, and this is where I can actually upload my own videos that I've recorded with using PowerPoint perhaps, or Screencastify, or Google Meet, and I can upload my own videos and embed my own quiz questions within those videos and push them out to my students. We're going to be looking at how to do that in depth in a later video. So how do we actually get these materials out to our students? There's two different ways. I'm going to come in here and I'm just going to open up one of these videos. And you'll notice that there is an assign button down here. So I can assign work in two ways. If I click on this, I do have the ability to push out just a public link. So this would make it to where if any of y'all clicked on this link, you would go directly to this assignment. You don't have to be one of my students if I provide you with the public link, which is pretty awesome. However, you'll notice assigned to a class, if you connect your Google Classroom to your Edpuzzle, you can immediately post items to that classroom with a single click of a button, which is really awesome. So the last thing we're going to talk about in this very quick video is the pricing for Edpuzzle, because Edpuzzle is what we call a freemium program, meaning there is a free version, but if you want all of the options, you will have to pay a small amount. As you can see here, there are plans for teachers, schools, and districts. Let's look at what you get for free first. So the basic package here is $0 a month. You get access to more than 5 million pre-made videos. Create your own videos. You can add your questions, audio notes. You can look at your analytics, your data for your students. The big limitation you have is how many videos you are allowed to access and push out to your students. So with a basic membership, you can use 20 videos, either pre-made or videos that you have uploaded. And you can still increase storage when you refer Edpuzzle to colleagues. So my suggestion is right now, go ahead, make an Edpuzzle account, be a basic user, and when you sign up for Edpuzzle, it's going to ask you if you have a refer code. Go ahead and use my refer code. My refer code is DL7GXR. DL7GXR. Because I already have an upgraded account, this doesn't do anything for me, so I'm not trying to sell you anything. But what this does do for you as a teacher is when you create an account, a basic account, it'll update this number from 20 to 23 videos. You also have a refer code, which you can find in your settings once you create an account. And if you share that out with other teachers, both you and that other teacher get an additional 3 video slots. So the more people you share this with, the more slots you get with a basic account. And this might be all you need, 20, 23, 26 video slots, and you're good. If you turn into someone like me, however, who uses this multiple times throughout the semester, I'm talking probably once or twice a week or every other week, you might want to go ahead and become a pro teacher, which is about $10 a month. And the good thing about being a pro teacher is you get that unlimited storage and priority customer support. Now, if it turns out that a bunch of the people in your school or in your district start using Edpuzzle, there is district and school pricing. You do have to get someone from admin or your IT department to go in and request a quote for that. And they'll help you kind of get bulk pricing, which is really nice. So I hope this is a nice little overview, just telling you the general features. Again, very quick, very simple. We're going to get into specifically how you upload your own videos, add those quiz questions, open-ended responses, and notes at a later date. So yeah, hope this was helpful. Y'all have a good day.
So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you found it useful. And if you did, go ahead and click that like button. Heck, why not support us and click that subscribe button. Click on the bell icon to receive email notifications. Leave a comment or an idea for a Tech Tuesday video below. Share this video with your friends, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.